everybody, my name is Evan Naveed and this is Fahil Naveed.
Hello.
Today he is going to solve the top layer of a Rubik's Cube blindfolded with me telling him the colours.
Okay, so I'll close my eyes. And what colour is this?
Yellow.
What colour is this?
Yellow.
What colour is this?
Green.
It's yellow.
Yes.
Is this yellow?
Yes.
Is this yellow?
Yes.
Is this yellow?
No.
Is this yellow?
No.
Is this yellow?
Yes.
Is this yellow?
No.
Is this yellow?
Yes. No.
Is the top all yellow?
Yes.
Are these two the same colour?
Yes.
Are these two the same colour?
No.
Are these two the same colour?
Yes.
Are these two the same colour?
Yes.
Are these two the same colour?
Yes.
Is the cube solved?
No.
So what colour is this?
Red.
Is this all the same colour?
No.
Is this all the same colour?
No.
Is this all the same colour?
No. Yes.
Is the cube solved?
No.
Is the cube solved?
Yes.
Do these two match?
Yes.
I solved it. Closing my eyes.
Thanks for watching. Bye.